Today, me and Leonie, Shields Leonie, went to South Shields. You don't need to judge me like that. Right, we're gonna try toxic twists. 3, 2, 1. Straight face challenge. What? It's not even that bad. Not even that bad.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, we're at South Shields. We're gonna go on the rides. You're a bit excited?
No, don't get up.
I'm very scared. I'm shivering in my boots. We can see rides. We're going over there. Ferris wheel.
Wow.
And rides.
Wow.
Wow. This is pretty crazy. This is literally pretty crazy. We have arrived. So we're here. We're literally here, guys.
Oh well. Well,
That ride, last time we came here when we were like 11, we cried. We were
I had to stop the ride because I had a panic attack.
Ooh.
That gives me childhood trauma.
It's cool. The waltzes. We're on the waltzes. You excited? You excited? So, me and Parker, my brother, are on Twister. But Leonie had to go on her own because we couldn't all fit in the car. So, we're alone. And she's... Poor Leonie. We can't go on breakdance yet because we're currently on Twister. So, oh, how adorable!
Oh my god, look how sexy he is.
Ew! What the frick?
What?
If you don't get out of this alive, I love you.
I love you too.
Ignore the fact my hair's a mess, but we just came off Frog Hopper and now we're going on Spooky Scary Ride. It's a haunted house! Yeah, it is! And we're going on it.
I nearly threw up on Frog Hopper.
Yeah, she did. She kept going, ooh. We just came off the haunted house and it was really scary. I think we nearly crapped ourselves. We're going on that next. We're now on breakdance. Woohoo! We just came off our second ride on breakdance. It was pretty fun. My hair is really messy right now though, so yeah. Mom, can I go on Spinball Wizard? Oh, we have Spinball Wizard at home. Spinball Wizard at home. We're going on the roller coaster.
Few inches later.
So the roller coaster broke down, so we're going on the wacky one instead. We're going on this instead. Miami surf time! So we're taking a break from the rides now because of an incident that happened. So we will be back on the rides soon, I hope. Leonie is no longer with us because she wasn't very well. So now me and Parker are on the roller coaster. So we just came off the roller coaster and now we're just buying some sweets and then after that I think we're just going to head home.